Hi babes and welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title, today we have a PR unboxing from Crowned Heritage, so let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so I received a PR package from Crowned Heritage, formerly known as Cedar Diva Petite Body Shop. Y'all, they have rebranded and they are bigger and better. Their relaunch is on the 29th of October 2021. Their website would be live, so on October the 28th, make sure and stay close to your computers and devices because I will have a cute little surprise for you guys on that date. You will have to wait until then to see what it is. But anyways, let's jump right into this unboxing. So this is the PR box. Y'all, it's huge, bigger than my head. So yes, and it has their logo, Crowned Heritage. Woot woot. Y'all, I'm so excited to see what is inside this box. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so let us open. Ouch! Oh, shimrock. What was that? Oh shucks, the staples, cheese and bread. Y'all, man down, pause for her cause, medical emergency. Okay y'all, crisis averted. Crisis averted. I just need to be careful when I open this thing. Alright, put this. Alright, I think we are in. Yes, we are. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright, okay, so this is how the inside looks. It's gold paper and it has the stickers with the logo on it. I would do a side shot so you all could see what it looks like properly. Alright y'all, so it came with this cute little note. Oh my god, and a in crest you know, like in like in royalty days and thing, like how they send like letters with their crestons on it. All your GT. Alright, Crown Heritage, I see y'all. Milady, the creators of Crown Heritage would like to formally invite thee to bear witness of our relaunch, if thou wouldest be so kind. Hither to bring thine coffer and partake. So this is it here. Yo, this is so cool. This is it makes me like I'm like, you know, royalty, like the royal male person come by my door kind of thing. Real kicks. This was a real nice touch. Alright, so let's see what's on the inside. Okay, so inside the box, let's see if I can like kind of. So this is what is inside of the box. Alright, so first of all, okay, so this is the first thing I took out. It says, "My queen, care for some tea? Our hair, skin and nails tea gives your body just the right amount of nutrients and vitamins needed to help grow longer and stronger hair and nails. All this while giving your skin a healthy glow. Did we mention that the taste is yummy and no milk is required?" Oh yes, her hair, skin and nails tea. I remember tasting this a while back when she had not bring it out. Oh, this thing tastes real good. Okay, good. Wait, give us some tea. Oh yeah. Alright, so the next two things that I'll take out is the brochures. So they sent the brochures for their two new hairlines. So basically it is the same product that they had before, but they are under two hairlines. So the first one is the strengthening and renewing line, which is Vivify. I would have all of the products here. as well as the nourishment and moisture line, which is the low hairline. I'll have everything right there, and they all have different products that would aid in restoring, strengthening, and moisture. Okay, another one here, the Royal Culture, carefully crafted hair and skincare, sophistication at its finest. It's all about the polished look this time. Hello. Hey Queen, we're relaunching. Launch date October 29th. What to expect? New name, logo, sizes, prices, reformulations, new scents, new packaging, all with the same effectiveness that you have come to love and trust. Okay. So they're starting with the hair care line first, and then the skin care line would be relaunched at another date. Okay. So, yep, this is its hair. So this is basically some information on the relaunch on the 29th of October. You all get those coins together. Oh my god! Olive. This is so cute. Oh my god. You lie. What? Olive, I feel like the Queen of England. Look. Yes, sir. Yes. So if you all have known by now, this is Crown Heritage, their logo. Yo, look at how pretty. And it comes with a little teacup. Like I could sip tea and be like, yes, Governor, how do you do today? Ole Ivy. This is so pretty. Like, oh my god. Then we have a Crown Heritage mask. Of course, you know we had a rep. And then we have 2 sample sizes. So I got the Moisture Step Leave-In Conditioner sample. This is it here. And then I got the Platinum Protein Treatment hair sample as well. This is so ironic because when they launch, I wanted to buy this and this because sis here is due for a protein treatment, and I did use a protein treatment before years ago and I really liked it. So video coming soon. Yeah. 2 what is this, compressed masks. This is very interesting. So apparently this is a compressed face mask. It looks like a tablet, sweetie. Yeah? Then it has welcome to our range of LLP bonnets. Pops! Our bonnets feature double satin lined fabric with an elastic band and an added 3-inch band side. The result is a snug, secure fit that will guarantee that your hair won't move. My hair, it don't move my hair. Anyways, our bonnets come in sizes 10, 12, and 14. My package, I got a 10-inch bonnet. We call her Sally Mae. Enjoy. P.S. Can you guess what LLP stands for? Wink. LLP. Live, love, party. But let's see this bonnet. Look, it comes in this satin bag, y'all. And it's that branding for your money. Crowned in elegance, crowned in beauty, crowned heritage. Cute. But where does rain come out from, boy? Okay, let me hurry up. Ooh. Okay. Oh, alright, so this is the bonnet. Oh, and it has the logo right here, Crown Heritage. Y'all, look at how cute. And has elastic to the back, and then you tie it. Y'all, this is so cute. Yes, sir. Yes, so now just have 2 bonnets like this. Thank God. Thank you, Crown Heritage. Yeah, Crown Heritage, right at your fingertips, royal notes. So we got a notebook. Y'all, God is good, because sis been needing to buy a notebook, and every time I go in the stores, I just didn't like what I saw, or they were just too expensive. Look what I got. So sis could put all of her notes and write down whatever she needs to in this book. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, and that is all, y'all. So I just want to give a big thank you to Crown Heritage. Thanks so much for considering me for your PR list and to give you this PR package. Thanks so much. Your relaunch is on the 29th of October. As I said, stay tuned to the 28th of October because I will have a nice little surprise for you all. And make sure and go and check out their Instagram, go follow them so you'll be in the know all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!